MQM makes another comeback with some new conditions. After several weeks of tension between the PPP and the MQM over the postponement of AJK elections in Karachi and the imposition of commissioner system in Sindh, the latter has returned to the fold. Ishratul Ibad has returned to his post of Sindh governor following a fruitful conversation between President Asif Ali Zardari and MQM chief Altaf Hussain. He resigned from the office after the MQM decided to sit on the opposition benches in provincial and national assemblies. However, his resignation was not accepted by the president. Speaking to the media, Ibad said that President Zardari has given an assurance that all actions taken without taking MQM on board will be withdrawn. He also thanked him for his role in the reconciliation between the two parties.
MQM के गैर मौजूदगी में जो ऐसी चीज़ें हुई हैं जो MQM के एतराज़ का बाइस बनी हैं, उनको भी सदर साहब ने ये एश्योरेंस दी है, शाह साहब ने भी एश्योरेंस दी है और बात है पॉलिटिकल हार्मनी की और रिप्रेजेंटेशन की। तो इस चीज़ को समझते हुए उस रिप्रेजेंटेशन का जो पूरे सूबे में तनासुब है, उसमें कौन उन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, उनकी राय को इनकॉर्पोरेट करने के लिए सदर साहब ने एक प्रोसेस स्टार्ट किया है और अल्ताफ भाई ने भी उसकी इजाज़त दी है कि ठीक है।
In light of the newfound political harmony, the PPP government has announced to withdraw two candidates from Azad Kashmir LA 30 and LA 36 seats in favor of the MQM. The decision was announced by the Sindh Chief Minister Qaim Ali Shah.
जिस बात पे थोड़ी नाराजगी की इब्तदा हुई, उसी बात को मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ कि जो दो सीटें हैं कश्मीर की, वो हमने छोड़ दी और उनके लिए छोड़ दी हैं MQM के लिए कि वो बिना मुकाबले इंशाल्लाह यहाँ से कामयाब हो जाएं।
A large number of MQM leaders and workers thronged the airport to welcome Ishratul Ibad upon his arrival in Karachi. Speaking to the media at the airport, MQM leader Faisal Sabzwari claimed that the party had decided to bring Ibad back to fill the vacuum that had been created by his departure. However, he asserted that the MQM will continue to sit on the opposition benches.
So, in order to address that vacuum which was created in his absence, Muttahida Qawmi Movement has decided to bring him back because we are very much serious and clear about the peace, progress and stability of the province. As far as rejoining the government is concerned, I don't see it very much on the cards. We are going to sit in the opposition.
MQM leader Raza Haroon also seconded Sabzwari. He said that Ibad is returning to his post only for the sake of stability of Karachi and the country as a whole.
Keeping in view the public and national interest, that the Governor Sahab should return and should start functioning as the Governor of Sindh, only for the reason that we are seeking stability in the region, stability of Karachi, stability of the economic activities, stability of the markets, and let's see if all the other factors, the executive, the administration, they all cooperate together and we can see a better situation in the future.
Meanwhile, MQM leader Saghir Ahmed called upon the government to do away with the commissionerate system and restore the local government system in Sindh.
President of Pakistan, जो शरीक चेयरमैन है पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के, वो रास्त इक़दामात करें, आवाम के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात को एड्रेस करें और हर वो बात जो आवाम में से आ रही है, वो कमिश्नरी निज़ाम का खात्मा हो, पुलिस ऑर्डर हो, नए सूबों को बनाना हो या डिकम्पोज करना हो या सियासी असीरों की मुंतकली हो, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की रेस्टोरेशन हो, बजट फंडिंग का इश्यू हो, तो तमाम एड्रेस होने चाहिए और जब तक वो एड्रेस नहीं होंगे तो मैं नहीं समझता कि उससे आवाम की तसल्ली हो सके।
Other political parties have also reacted to the development of Ibad returning to the post of Sindh governor. Punjab Chief Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said MQM did what it considered was best for the party. On the other hand, the Awami National Party has welcomed Ibad's return to his office and said it is crucial to the stability and peace of Karachi.